tell you, lipstick's chapstick, greatest chapstick ever.
Hi guys, Happy New Year. It is officially 2020. I'm really excited for this new year. I came into the new year with a very clean slate, clean mind and whatnot. You guys have already seen me actually. I just filmed a 2020 Christmas haul, so right after this video comes out, there will be a video with me in the same, you know, not uniform, but apparel, whatever you want to call it. But I wanted to make this video because I want to look back at it as long as I'm still making YouTube videos like I plan to be at the end of 2020 or even the middle of 2020, and just see what I've accomplished, see what I can add to the list that I did accomplish that I didn't have on the list before that I'm proud of, whatever it is, simple little things, big things, because every little thing to me is an accomplishment. I'm sick of looking at the small things as, oh, it's not a big deal, Sydney, like paying off a small little bill, like my credit card bill. It's not even that high right now, and I can pay it off within like literally not even a full month, and even just that would be an accomplishment. Like the small little things I want to accomplish. I want to make myself happy. I want to do things for myself this year and focus on myself. And I want to do things for me and my boyfriend. I don't need him to accomplish goals that we have been trying to accomplish, whatever it is, simple, big, small. I want this year to be full of achievements and accomplishments. I don't want to be lazy. So that's what 2020 is going to be all about. My dog is bothering the cats. So the first 2020 New Year's resolution that I have is film more. Now this is probably just sounds so simple, but I mean like taking the time out to, like, especially like I said in my last videos on Sundays when I try to film more, because those are going to be hopefully my like repetitive day off. What I mean when I say that I want to film more is I want to take the time to get ready. Like today I came home, I actually had something to do in the morning, like at 8:30 in the morning after I dropped my boyfriend off at work, so I went to that, and it's about 11:59 right now. It's about to be noon, and I'm about to be finishing my second video of the day. So I've accomplished a lot. I came home, I got ready, I put my makeup on and whatnot, and I'm very happy with it. Nothing's like extra. No eyeshadow, literally just face makeup and some eyebrows and mascara. Gucci. And then I walked the dog, and I came in and set up for my videos. So I want to take the time to set up, film, have good lighting like how I have right now. Just be proud of what I'm filming, not just set it up at 7 p.m. because that's when I find the free time because my boyfriend's in the shower and I've been working all day. I want to take the time to take 1 to 2, maybe even at the most 3 hours every Sunday to film a video, and then try to take some time to edit and whatnot, or like film a video throughout the week and then edit it on Sunday, whatever it is, because I want to plan to get a video up every Sunday. So that is what I mean by that. The next one is work out more, and then not the next one, but the one after that's kind of going to go along with this, but I want to have not like a gym schedule, but especially when my boyfriend gets his license back. Not going to get into that on right now, but hopefully when he gets his license back, I'm going to have obviously more free time to myself, especially like at night. And I do want to actually, like, in a way, create a schedule so I can start going to the gym, especially nights that he's working, like right before he gets home and whatnot. I can just work out, and then when he's on his way home, I can go home, shower, whatever it is after a workout, like actually put time to take care of my body. Next is a used planner. So when I was Christmas shopping in December, when I was at Target, I ended up getting myself a planner just because I wouldn't say I'm a messy person, but I forget things easily, and I don't get as much things as I want to done because I never remember. I'm lazy, and I don't know, I wanted to be more on track with things. So I ended up getting at Target this 2020 agenda. It's really cute. That's the cover of it, and then it opens up to that. And it has like a thing for each month, which I really like. And like today, I actually at the very end, it has notes. So I wrote in the notes the things I want to do, like dishes, clean, clean surfaces, laundry, mop, and sweep and whatnot. And I got literally 4 of those done. The only thing I didn't have to do was mop because I ended up going to see a friend and I didn't have the time. But like for month of January, I have just everything set up for myself. I love how organized it keeps me with my videos, with my bills. It's really easy. Like I literally filled it up for this week and whatnot, which I love. So yeah, definitely gonna try to use this more. I think it's a really good thing to have, and very excited. The next thing, like I said, it goes along with the last one, and it says gain muscle in 20 pounds. So in my, I think I've deleted all the videos that I talked about it in, but Last year, aka 2019, was a year for me of struggling. Even 2018, I lost a lot of weight and I've been struggling to gain it back for a while now, like literally half a year about. And so I've just been slowly working on it the best I can. It is a struggle, but you know what? Life is a struggle, so we get through it, you know. So I do want to gain muscle. I want to gain it in my lower half, aka my bottom. I want to gain it in my arms. I want just to tone up my stomach. I want to tone up my bottom, my legs, whatever it is. Like, I just want to be stronger. I don't want to be known as the weakling anymore, and that's what I am known as. And it gets old, especially when you're 23. It's like you just don't want to be called, oh, the weakling. She's 20. Like, no. I'm a girl. I'm a woman. It's okay. Like, I can handle stuff. Don't worry, y'all. And then 20 pounds, I just actually want to put on some meat on my bones. Like, I don't just want to put on muscle, and I don't want to become fat, but I do want some fat on me in a sense. Like, I'm a very skinny girl. But anyways, the next thing is work on editing my videos. So what I mean by that is taking the time out. When I edit for like, I'll do it for like 30 minutes at the most, an hour, and then sometimes I just give up because like I'll get to a part where it's just like I'm getting frustrated and I'm just like, I can't, I need a break. And that's what my issue is, but I need to stay focused, especially if I want to edit and film on a Sunday. Like today is editing and I have to try to like, or filming and then I have to try to edit. So if I want to do both those in a day, I really need to stay focused and try to get it done. So I want to put more time into editing. I want to try to do more effects, even if that means spending some money on editing and whatnot. That is something I want to work on. Being more productive. I don't just mean YouTube. I mean like things I need to get done, errands, whatever it is. Like if I have to call someone, I hate making phone calls, but I have to call to make an appointment for someone, call someone to pay something off, whatever it is, I want to be more productive and I don't want to be lazy and like, I don't know. I want to get stuff done in 2020. 2020, let's get this ready, y'all. All right, the next one is taking care of my well-being. And that kind of goes along with like vitamins, working out. Like I said in my last video, I ended up starting Cara vitamin supplement, whatever dietary supplement thing, monthly package thing, whatever. And I do like the way it makes me feel. I always forget to take them because I'm horrible, but I'm actually going to take them after this video. But it makes me feel more awake. I'm more motivated throughout the day. It puts me in a better mood. It changes my mental mood in a day. I like the way they make me feel, okay? I'm sorry. But I want to take care of my mental health better. I want to work on my well-being. I want to do like self-care more, like masks. I want to take care of myself, to keep up with my hair, not spoil myself like, oh, I'm gonna go spend $200 a week on myself. No, like, you know, every few months, like save up some money, get my hair done, all that jazz. And second to last is standing up for myself. Now this sounds so silly, but I mean like, when someone gives me an offer that I don't want to take because it's not a good offer, or something that I'm like, no, I don't want to do it. Say no. I say yes to everything, and I don't know how to say no. I'm slowly getting better. I'm slowly getting there, but I am such a yes, 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 yes person, and I never, ever, 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 ever say no to someone. And girl, you gotta say no sometimes. Stand up for yourself. You are not just mute. Let the world know you have words. That is the words to live by for 2020. And the last one is kind of funny, but it is switch up to like more, not really organic foods, but like when it comes to tampons, skincare, more healthy organic ingredients. I want to like, when it comes to, I feel like there's a lot of chemicals that I've heard in tampons, especially in Tampax. And yeah, I think I will end up switching to Lola in 2020, but that is a subscription brand every month. And either way, that is my 2020 resolutions. The end of that kind of got off topic because it took a minute to get back to where I was. But that is it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, 2020 is going to be a year of videos,